Yo guys, I have this insanely annoying sound in my mic. Do you hear it? The little peeping sound, like just enough that you barely hear it, but you hear it enough that you annoy the shit out of yourself. Like this needs to stop. This needs to go. So I've done a little research and I found out what did it. Take a look. Turns out the issue is this keyboard. When I have this mode on, like the rolling effect with the lights, every time this thing rolls, it makes the sound over here, I think it is, like beep 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 beep, around there. So the solution was to just click it over there, and now the freaking annoying audio is gone. Nice. GG's.